In this video, I'll show you how to create an account in Roblox Android application, and it's a very simple process. Now that you have Roblox enabled on your device and you installed it, you launched it, all you have to do is go to create account here and select create account. Now all you have to do is select your birth date. So in this case, I'll put April 4th. I'm going to put 2000 and confirm my birthday. Next, you're going to select the username. So in this case, I'm going to use robotic capybara 16, and that username is not already in use. So then you're going to choose your gender. In this case, I'll choose female, and then I'll hit continue. And once that's done, it's going to go through the validation process. It's going to ask me if I want to create a passkey to sign into Roblox, but I'm going to just hit X. I don't need that. So it's going to prompt me for a password. All you have to do is give a password. So I'll just do something like that, password 133, and then hit done. Now that that's done, I'm going to hit continue. And it prompts me for an age check so that I can unlock more games. But if you're not of age, or if you don't really care about this, all you have to do is just hit that X button and you can get right into the games. So now you just scroll down, you can see Dress to Impress is right there, Brookhaven, role playing is there, Adopt Me. So yeah, you can go through all the games that you have and you can go ahead and play right away. It's a pretty simple process. There's not even any email that's required.